everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to install Power BI desktop software on your Windows system. This is a completely free tool from Microsoft that allows you to analyze data and build interactive reports and dashboards. To start with, make sure that you are using a Windows system as Power BI is not supported on Mac machines or any other operating systems. So to start with the installation, we will navigate to our favorite browser. I am using Google Chrome here. You can choose any of the existing ones. Later, we will open a search engine. Here is Google for me. And I'll type in Power BI desktop download. It will give you all the available links. And from the search result, look for official Microsoft Power BI website, which usually have Microsoft.com in the name. We'll click on the link and this will navigate you to the official download page of Power BI Desktop. This download link is also shared in the description box for easy access. You can select your language from here. I am keeping it English, and then click on the download button. Whenever you are using Microsoft Edge as a browser, it may take you to Microsoft Store to install. By the end of this video, I will also show you how to install it using Microsoft Store. For now, let us continue with the web download. Out of these two, I'll go for the second one because my system is a 64-bit processor, and click on download. This will download it wherever you want it to be downloaded. And once the download is complete, we will start with the installation. The software download usually takes a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. So here my software is downloaded. You can see the exe file has been downloaded, and I'll just open and run the file. And here starts the installation process. Selecting the language, click on next. At this level, you will need the admin approval. Let's click on next. Accept the terms. Click on next. Installation will also take 1 or 2 minutes. Now that the installation process is complete, let's click on finish, and this will automatically launch the Microsoft Power BI desktop software since we have clicked on the checkbox. So let's finish and wait the software to launch. And on my screen you can see the home page of the software, Power BI desktop software. So this was one of the approach to install the software. Another approach to install Power BI software is you can go to your start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store and search for Power BI. This is also another way. Here we get the install button, and if you click on install, it will install Power BI software as an app on your Windows machine. So you can use either of the two approaches to install the software and start developing your dashboards. In the next video, we'll show you how to connect Power BI to an Excel file or any other data source and start understanding or getting acquainted with the interface of Power BI Desktop. Thank you.